Diwali everybody. Let's step up, light up this Diwali with Maybelline, and we are going to play an exciting game, Never Have I Ever, and this is going to be Maybelline Edition. Yes, Never Have I Ever Maybelline Edition. And this Diwali I wish you all, may the festival of light fill your life with the glow of happiness and the spark of joy. So yes, let's start this video with some twisted game and the makeup. Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I am here with a new video, and this is a Diwali makeup look. Recently Maybelline have sent me few products in their mystery box, and I am going to talk about all the products and do the makeup look with you guys. And even we are going to play a game in this, which is Never Have I Ever with Maybelline. So I'm super excited to show you what's there in this box. We'll talk you through first what's there in this box. And few days ago I did ask you guys on my Instagram handle that what do you think about which level I am. So you guys voted for the advanced level. Yes, I am in the advanced level. There's 3 different categories and I'm going to do the advanced level makeup for you guys. So yes, without wasting much time, let's see what's there in this box. And it's really nice and classy black, and the Maybelline is written how it is in the logo. So there you go, and then I am going to show you what we have. I'm going to show you this light later on, but let's focus on the products which Maybelline have sent. This is their card, which is the StepUp LightUp for Diwali, and then we have the products over here for the advanced level of makeup. So first I'm going to show you. First we have the Maybelline Fit Me blusher, which is absolutely amazing. I really like it. It's super pigmented as well. And then we have the loose powder, which is again from Fit Me range, and I really like this. If you want a review on any of these products, let me know. And then we have the Maybelline Tattoo Crayon pen, here. Then another compact powder from Fit Me range, and here is the eyeshadow, which is super gorgeous and I really loved it. So this is the Maybelline City Mini palette, and this is in the shade 5th Avenue Sunset. And then here I have the setting spray, which is the Lasting Fix. And then I have my favorite highlighter. This is the Master Chrome, the Molten Gold one. I absolutely love it. And then I have the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and then I have 2 concealers. One is for contouring and one is for highlighting. And then I got 2 of the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick. I absolutely love these lipsticks. And the last product we have is the Maybelline Colossal. This is the waterproof one. And even Maybelline have sent us this fairy light, which is amazing and I really liked it. This is definitely giving a festive vibe. When I received this box, I was really excited about this. And then we have deck of cards, which I made because we have 5 questions for me, and we are going to play Never Have I Ever with a twist with makeup. And I'm super excited for the game and for the questions. So we are going to play game, and even this is going to be a full makeup tutorial, like a full glam. As you can see, I really like my look, how it turned out. So yes, if you want to know how I got this makeup look right here, then please keep on watching. So guys, as you can see, I have already primed and prepped my skin. Even I'm done with my brows. So I'm going to start with the foundation first. And for that, I'm going with Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation, and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. I'm gonna take 2 pumps of this, and now I'm going to apply this with a beauty sponge. And as you guys already know, Maybelline Fit Me is a non-chromotogenic product, so you can even wear this foundation under your mask, and this is not going to give you any acne, pimples or any kind of rashes. For your Diwali celebration, you're definitely going to wear a mask. So this is non-chromotogenic, you don't have to worry. And even Maybelline Fit Me range has 18 shades for all the Indian skin tones, so you can just go and pick your right shade. And the next product I'm going with is this Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. I'm in the shade 100 Ivory. So this is how you're supposed to use this. You just need to turn this And there you go, you can see the concealer is on the top of the sponge. And this is my favorite product, you guys already know. Like, I did finish 1 or 2 bottles of this. So now I'm going with this on the usual areas where I normally conceal and highlight my face. And I'll be going with this on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and even underneath my eyes. And again with the same beauty sponge, I'm going to blend this out. And now here we'll start playing the game Never Have I Ever. For that I have to pick a card. So I think I'll be picking up this right here, and here is my question. And the question I have in here is, never have I ever contoured my nose on my own. So yes, I did contour my nose on my own. Whenever I do my makeup, I always contour my nose. So with that, I am going to contour my face now. So for contouring my face, I'm going with another Instant Age Rewind eraser, and this is in the shade 142 Butterscotch. I'll be applying this concealer on the parameters of my face where I normally like to contour. On my forehead, on the sides of my nose, even on the underneath my cheekbones, and even on the jawline. Again, blending this out with the same beauty sponge. And you can see this has added a natural shadow to my face. So now again I'm back with the cards, and now I'm going to pick up this card right here. And the question is, never have I ever baked my face. So yes, I did bake my face. Like, I don't prefer baking my face that much, but yes, I did. And now to set my face, I have 2 powders right here. I'm going with the loose powder on the areas I have concealed and highlighted, and the rest of my face I'm going to just brush this so I have everything locked in its place. So I'm going with this damp sponge to pick up all the powders right here. I'm going with Maybelline Fit Me, the loose powder. I'm in the shade 15 Light. And I'm just pressing this on my face. This powder is really finely milled. So you can see there are nothing like left on my face. It is looking very nice and smooth. And now to set the rest of my face, I'm going with Maybelline Fit Me compact powder in the shade 230 Natural Buff. Now as you can see, my base is almost done. I'm going to move on to my eyes, and for that I'm going with the City Mini palette. This is in the shade 5th Avenue Sunset. And as you can see, this has gorgeous colors in it. Like, this is perfect for any outfit which you're wearing. So as you can see, I'm doing a halo eyes, and first I'll be going with this brown shade right here. This is a very gorgeous brick brown shade, and I'm going to apply this on the inner corners and even on the outer third of my eyes. And even you can see how pigmented this shade is. And again, I'll be going with a fluffy blending brush with the same brown and blend it out the edges. And next I'll be going with this shade right here, which has a very peachy undertone to this golden, and I'm going to apply this on the mid of my eyes. And I'm applying this with my fingers, so I'm getting a nice color payoff. And you can already see how gorgeous this looks. And then I'm going with this next shade, which I'm going to apply on my inner corners as well as on the eyebrow bone. Again, this is a very beautiful champagne shade with lots of shimmer particles in it, which is looking lovely on my eyes. And now for the lower lash line, first I'm going with this brown shade, and I'm going to do the half and half, what I have already done on my upper lids. And then I'll be going with this coppery shade and apply this on the mid of my eyes. And this is going to add a nice smokiness after applying the kajal. So with that, I'm done with my eyeshadow. And now for the tide line and waterline, I'm going with Maybelline Line Tattoo Crayon Pen. I'm just going to tide line and waterline with this. And now to finish off my eyes, I'm not going with any eyeliner today, but if you wish, you can definitely go for it. I'm going directly with the mascara. And now for my mascara, I'm going with Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara, and I'm going to coat my upper and even the lower lashes. So So I'm finally done with my eyes, and now I'm going to move on to the rest of my face. And for the face, I'm left with my blusher and even the highlighter. And now for my blusher, I'm going with Maybelline Fit Me blusher, and this is in the shade Wine and number 50. And as you can see, it has got a very beautiful salmon shade. So I'm going to apply this on the apples of my cheeks. And it even has a nice sheen of shimmer going on, which is perfect for this festive season. And I'm going with a tad bit on my nose and even on the chin area. So now it's time to take another question, and we are going to play another card. And for that, I'm going with this in the middle. And the question is, never have I ever used a highlighter, the liquid highlighter. So yes, I did use a liquid highlighter, but at this moment I don't own any of them. And next for the highlighter, I'm going with Master Chrome by Maybelline, and this is in the shade Molten Gold. And you guys already know I own this one and how much I love this. So this is my favorite highlighter, and thank you so much Maybelline for sending me this. And as usual, I'll be going with this on the highest points of my face. So now I'm left with only 2 cards, so let's answer one, and that is, never have I ever overlined my lids. So yes, I did it. In previous, like when I started my channel, it never used to look that great. But now, like for the perfect fuller lips, I do it and it looks absolutely amazing. So now it's time for the lipstick. And for my lipstick, I have 2 shades of Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. One is 15 Lover and the another one is 140 in the shade Initiator. So I have got 2 lipsticks and I'm really confused which one I should go for. So I think I'm going to do both the lipsticks and give you a nice beauty shot. So let's go with this first. This is in the shade 170 Initiator. And this is in the shade 15 Lover. So yeah, now I'm left with the last card, the last question, and that is, never have I ever used a setting spray. Yes, I did use a setting spray multiple times and I really like using a setting spray. So I'm going to use a setting spray right now to finish and lock this makeup look right here. And this is the Maybelline Lasting Fix, and if you want a review on this, let me know in the comment section below. So let's use this. And I'm going to let this sit on my face. So guys, this was the makeup look right here. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I absolutely loved filming this video for you guys. This is like a one brand tutorial and I have used all the makeup products from Maybelline. And yeah, I wish you all a very happy Diwali in advance. And I hope you guys enjoyed the games we played with Maybelline and the makeup look as well. And if you want to recreate this look right here, just go and check out the description box. You'll find the links over there to purchase all the products. And I'm sure you're going to love all the products for your makeup. And yes, that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Even hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm coming up with a new video. If you're not following me on my social media handles, even that is there in the description box. You can go and find them all and follow me on all other social media platforms. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Till then, stay happy. Happy Diwali to all of you in advance. And that's it. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, love you all. Mwah. Bye.